How to add a footer in your Elementor website. So what I've done here is I've just logged into Elementor and we want to click on Open WordPress Dashboard. Now from the WordPress dashboard, this should load up our Elementor website here. And what we want to do is we want to hover over templates and then we're going to go to Theme Builder. So from the Theme Builder page here, you will be able to see that I've already created a footer, but from the side parts here, you will be able to add a footer. So click on this plus sign next to footer and it's going to actually give us some templates for footers here on our website. So for example, let's say I want to add this one as a footer because I like it. I'll just click on insert here and this will override the design, layout and other settings of the footer you're working on. Apply. I have no footer on my website, so this is going to add it. And now as you can see, we can customize this. We can change the text itself here. We can change the contact information, the opening hours and all of this information. If we click on it, opening hours, and we can just edit this box, so on and so forth. But you will just customize this to your liking, and that's how you do it. Hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.